Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can change your name for your Thames Water account. Now this is a very quick and easy thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so that you don't miss any important steps. So the first thing you actually want to do is head over to the Thames Water website, and once you get here you should see this button in the top right corner that says contact us. We just want to go ahead and click on that, and then we want to choose bill an account. From here we can choose updating your details. So after you do that, they actually suggest that you can do it by logging into your online account and updating your details that way. However, if you're having trouble doing that, you can always message their support. So you can click this chat with us button in the bottom right corner to open up the virtual agent. And from here, you can just say update name. It'll then ask what you would like to do. So since we need to update our name, I'm going to choose 1. And then we're going to choose 2 because we need to change our personal information. And then you want to choose 1 because we're changing our name. And then it asks, okay, please let me know your new name. So I'm just going to put in my name and click enter. And now from here in one message, you need to just put in your first name and your surname. And they say, please enter it as it appears on your bill. So you just want to put in your full name, and from there, they will actually get you connected with someone from the team. And someone on the team will actually change your name for you and your account. So this is probably an easier way if you're having trouble doing it online. So that's exactly how you can change your name for your Thames Water account. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.